Bryan had reached a point in his life where he felt trapped in his body. Weighing an extra 73.5 kilograms, he often felt sluggish, had low energy, and struggled with self-esteem. He realized it was time for a change, not just a quick fix, but a full transformation. The journey wasn't easy. He started small, swapping sugary drinks for water and adding daily walks to his routine. Soon, these changes grew. Bryan found himself getting stronger and began weightlifting, which became a passion. His mindset started shifting, too, as he set realistic goals and celebrated small victories along the way. Diet played a major role in his transformation. He learned to fuel his body with nutritious, whole foods and let go of the junk food that had once been a staple in his life. Meal prep and mindful eating became part of his weekly routine, helping him stay consistent even on tough days. Through it all, Bryan learned resilience. Every pound lost represented his dedication and commitment to a healthier life. Now, 73.5 kilograms lighter, he's a different person, not just physically, but mentally too. He inspires others by showing that with dedication, patience, and a supportive community, transformation is possible.